Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So from this video onwards we are going to start the next chapter, that is general organic chemistry, which is the most important chapter in the organic chemistry. So in this video we are basically going to discuss about the basic terms in an organic reaction. So let us look into the basic terms of an organic reaction. So the first term is substrate, reagent, product, and reaction intermediate. So we'll be understanding all these four terms in detail in this video. So here I'm considering a reaction scheme. So imagine in this conical flask, the green liquid that I have is uh, an organic compound, and to this I am adding another compound. So to this I'm adding another compound, and finally I'm getting another compound. So the the organic compound to which the reaction takes place is known as the substrate. This is known as the substrate. So it is the substrate that gets converted into the product. It is the substrate which gets converted into the product. So substrate gets converted into the product, and this happens because of a reagent. This happens because of a reagent. So in any organic reaction, the compound which is undergoing the reaction is known as the substrate, and the final compound which is obtained is known as the product, which is stable. Now the substrate gets converted into the product because of the reagent. So it is because of the reagent that the substrate gets converted into the product. Okay, now we can take a organic react. We can take an example. We can take a reaction as an example. So the reaction I'm going to take over here is this. This is known as propene. This is known as propene, right? Now, when I react this propene with HBr, so I'm reacting propene with HBr, the product is this product, and on this carbon atom there will be a hydrogen attached. Okay, now clearly look at this reaction. Here propene is the substrate is propene, and 2-bromopropane is the product. Now propene gets converted into this because of HBr, therefore HBr is the reagent. It's as simple as this. So propene is the substrate which gets converted into 2-bromopropane, which is the product, and it gets converted because of HBr, and therefore HBr is the reagent. Now, next term that we have to look into is the reaction intermediate. Reaction intermediate. So, in an organic reaction, this intermediate holds a very important position. So, reaction intermediate holds a very important position in an organic reaction. Now, let us understand what is mechanism of a reaction. So the pathway from substrate to product is known as the mechanism of the reaction. That is important. What is mechanism? It is the pathway. So if you are asked what is mechanism of any organic reaction, then the term that should come into your mind is pathway. The term that should come into your mind is into your mind is pathway. Okay, so let us look into intermediate. Now, intermediate is a self-defining word. You can understand from the word itself that is something that is formed between the substrate and product. It is not it's not the substrate. It is not the product. Something from between the substrate and the product is known as the intermediate. Now, let us look at the mechanism of the above reaction. Now, the mechanism of the above reaction is first step there is a propene. Now, HBr is there. The H attacks this carbon atom. The H attacks this the third carbon atom, that is this carbon atom, and a carbocation is formed over here, and this carbocation is the reaction intermediate. This is the intermediate of this reaction. This is the intermediate of this reaction, And after this, the Br comes and attacks the plus. The Br attacks this carbon atom with the plus charge, and finally it gets attached over there. And this is how we get the final product. This is how we get the final product. Okay, so here's like the propene is the substrate. So you can clearly see that the intermediate is formed between the substrate and the product. Now something to understand, very important, is intermediate is unstable. Intermediate is unstable. This intermediate is unstable, and that is the reason why it gets converted directly. It gets converted into the product. If it was stable, then it would become the product. Am I right? If it was stable, then you need not call it the intermediate, you can call it the product. But because it's unstable and it gets quickly converted into the product, it is known as the intermediate. Now when you compare the energy between intermediate and the product, you can understand something, that if you compare the energy, you can understand that the intermediate is having a higher energy when compared to the product, because it's unstable, right? I believe you know that when something which is unstable has higher energy, it's having higher energy. So intermediate is having higher energy than the product. And why? Because intermediate is unstable, or it's less stable when compared to the product, and that is why as soon as the intermediate is formed, it quickly gets converted into the product, and the product is stable. The product is stable. Okay. So in this video, we have understood what is a substrate, what is a reagent, and what is a product. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.